What happened there? Did I fall asleep halfway through? Car Obsession is proudly supported by Exchange My Car, Carly and Draggy. For a limited time only, use Car Obsession 10 to get money off with Carly, and there's also a discount code for Draggy as well, which again is Car Obsession 10. All of the details are in the video description below. Hello guys, and welcome back to Car Obsession. Yes, that's right, this is another 0 to 60 video, which I've now named this series How Fast, because of course we're seeing how fast we can get to 60 miles per hour. Quite simple really. This time I'm in my very own Mk1 Seat Leona Cupra R, which is nicknamed Leona. Now when she was brand new, she should have hit 62 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds and 60 miles per hour at 7 seconds. So of course we are aiming for the 7-second mark. But I can't do this alone, can I? No, of course I'm joined once more by Draggy. Now I know I plug this all the time, but I will be saving you money, so it is worth it. Now if you hit the link in the video description and use the discount code CAROBSESSION10, you'll save money off, well, you get money off this very good performance meter. So before I melt in this very hot weather we are having in the UK, believe it or not, there is a red warning for heat on Monday, which has never happened in the UK. It's going to be at some points in the UK around 40 degrees. So yeah, almost as hot as Dubai. Anyway, you didn't come here to hear me waffle on about the weather. So without further ado, now I'm going to keep the climate control off so I can get every bit of power from that 1.8 Mk engine. Just wait for the coast to be clear. Okay, now this is front wheel drive manual, so always a little bit tricky to get it off the line. So right, if I stop there, hopefully my exterior camera will see me. First gear, of course. Right, build the revs up. Come on, it's bogged down a bit. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. A good change. And that's 60 there. Right, let's have a look to see what we did. Now, to make things as scientific as possible, I will do a run each way, one with the traction control on and one with it off, just to see if there's any differences. I have to remember I've now got a front splitter fitted, so I need to be a bit more careful with bumps. So I'll do the second run and then I see what the time is. Again, getting a bit bogged down. It's because the traction control is fighting the wheel spin, and that's 60 there. That felt maybe a little bit faster, dare I say. I can't even predict how she has done. So, okay, so I've got my screen recording here. The first one was verified. Let's have a look. Oh, here we go. So that's that one. Okay, so the first run wasn't valid, but the second one was valid, well, verified. So on the first run, I did 8.01 seconds. Not bad, but yeah, that is a second off what she should have been doing when she was brand new. And the one that is valid, that was 8.43 seconds. So yeah, a little bit off the mark to say the least. So what we will do is we will turn off the ESP, the traction control, electronic stability program, to be pedantic, and we shall go again. Right, okay, so once more to 3,000 revs. Oh, lot of wheel spin, lot of wheel spin. Better, much better, much, much better. Let Leona breathe for a few moments. She's smelling a bit hot. Right, okay. Oh yeah, she's smelling a bit hot. Now, interestingly, the run where I had more wheel spin was actually faster, and it was my fastest one. that was 8 seconds on the nose. The second run with the ESP off, which felt faster, wasn't. That was a whopping 11.9 seconds. What happened there? Did I fall asleep halfway through? I know I kind of braked a bit sooner, but I'd hit 60 at that point. Okay, well, I'm going to discount the 11.9 seconds because I don't know what on earth happened there. So let's do an average. That gives us quite a disappointing average, I must admit. Now, a better driver who's more used to launching front-wheel drive manual cars would probably get a better time than myself. I don't doubt that. But I thought my efforts were quite valiant. But yeah, that gives me an average of 8. Well, if I'm going to round it up, 8.15. So yeah, not great, I must admit. Yeah, you are getting a bit tired, aren't you, Leona? But at least you're cooling down, which is good. I don't want you overheating because I know I am. So yeah, have you got a Mk1 Cupra R? Have you done any 0 to 60 tests? I'd love to know what your results are. The context, apart from an induction kit, there's no engine mods or any kind of performance mods, in all honesty. So yeah, once more, I'm going to close off by saying, don't forget to use the link in the video description for Draggy if you want to buy one, and more importantly, don't forget to use Car Obsession 10 because that will save you money. Yes, a big thank you to all of you watching. I do hope you have enjoyed this video or found it useful. If so, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you are subscribed, don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified every time I make a video. But until the next time, guys, be sure to keep up the car obsession.